Time to come home!
Oh my God! Is she transforming?
Am I dreaming, Jax?
Ouch! It hurts, silly girl!
So it's true, Pomni's a freaking monster!
Gosh, she looks scary!
Can't believe we've been fooled all this time!
What are you talking about?
Nothing, just some casual stuff.
Doesn't feel casual to me. Hey, what are you hiding?
No!
Nothing! I swear!
Show me! Just kidding, but they're really scared. Haha! Never mind. I guess they haven't known the truth.
Thank God she's not chasing us.
Huh?